On this e-learning, we're going to show you how to work with permission setup in WO6. In an overview, first you should go to data from the main screen and then professionals. This is the place where you can manage all your professionals, and the permission setup is over here. Important for you to notice is that professionals, to get permission set up, they must be as a regular user, not as administrator. Make sure that the user that you want to restrict permissions is not set as administrator. And in this lesson, we're going to show you how to create groups, how to restrict actions per branch, and then how deep you can go in your settings. As a matter of fact, you should be able to go to the level of each button in each form. A WISE option should allow you to say in each form, for every single button in action, what each user can and cannot do. But the whole idea is to actually create groups. Therefore, every time you have a new user in your staff, you do not have to review the permissions for that particular user. Instead, you simply create the user, put the user in the list of professionals, and simply add that user to the groups. That user should then have the same permission as that group, because it's kind of transferring, it's managed by the group, and if the user is in that group, therefore the user is going to have the same permissions as the group. So in a nutshell, basically it's pretty much having the users in the system, coming to the permission setup, create your groups. We're going to give you some hints and tips in the next following sections of the e-learnings on how to start and play with this, so you don't so you can implement the step-by-step instead of cutting permission for all the users in one single move. Once you have the groups, you determine the groups permissions by playing with this. More details in the following sections. And the next, it's how to add users to the groups and how to maintain the groups, how to add new users, and also how to remove the users. So this is just a quick overview, and let's get started. So move on to the next chapter, to the next lessons, and we're going to show you step by step. Thanks for watching.